Today's Teardrop Wristlet tutorial is a fun design twist on the classic wristlet. Stick around for step-by-step instructions on how to make your very own. All the supplies needed can be found on our website, including a written tutorial. Let's get into it.
Before you get started, you'll need to pull your supplies together. For our design, we used 8 19mm round silicone beads, 1 accent bead, 8 15mm rounds, 4 12mm rounds, and then 1 9mm round. We also have one length of 60-inch cord, a metal keyring and clip, a metal charm of your choice, scissors, crafting needle, and a lighter. To make your teardrop wristlet, take your cord and lighter and lightly melt each end of your cord so that it's hard and able to string beads easily. Fold your cord in half and loop it through the link attached on your keyring and clip. Tie a small knot just below the link attached and secure it by running your lighter flame over it quickly. Thread both of your cords onto your crafting needle. Take your accent bead and thread it onto your needle through the bottom of the bead. Push the bead up and over the knot. Thread your 9mm beads onto both cords. Remove the cords from your crafting needle. You should now have 2 cords coming out of your 9mm bead. String onto each cord 2 12mm beads, 4 15mm beads, and 4 19mm rounds. Tie the cord ends into a double knot as tightly as you can. Take your lighter and run it over your double knot to fuse it. Once the knot is cool, thread one of your cords with your crafting needle and insert the needle through one of the beads beside your current double knot. You may need pliers to help you get the needle through. Pull your threaded cord all the way through that bead, carefully pulling your knot into the center to hide it. You should now have a cord on either side of this bead. Trim them carefully and use your lighter to melt the ends to prevent fraying. Take your small metal charm and add it to the keyring for an extra little bit of sparkle. That's it!
The possibilities are endless. Customize your very own teardrop wristlet using your favorite colors, sizes, and accent beads. Shop them now on our website at carasupply.com. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can check out more videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel or on our website. Happy crafting!